In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fillable PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Turning a regular document into a fillable form can save you a lot of time and make life easier for both you and the people filling it out. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their PDF files with interactive elements, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started by launching Adobe Acrobat Pro. Once you have the application open, you'll need to open the document that you want to convert into a fillable form. With your document opened, the next step is to navigate to the top of the interface and click on the All Tools tab found on the global toolbar. Once there, you'll want to select Prepare a Form. This tool is exactly what you'll need to turn your document into a dynamic, interactive form. When you choose Prepare a Form, Acrobat will automatically search your document for potential areas that might need a form field. It does a pretty good job of identifying these sections and will add the necessary fields for you. But don't worry, you still have complete control. You can add additional form elements or modify the ones Acrobat suggests. This brings us to our next task. The toolbar options available to you allow for a lot of flexibility. You can add text boxes, checkboxes, radio buttons, drop-down lists, and signature fields wherever you think they're needed in your document. Adding these elements is as easy as selecting the type of field you need and clicking on the area where you want to place it. Positioning your form fields accurately can really enhance the clarity and functionality of your form, so feel free to drag and drop them until everything is just right. This might seem a bit like arranging pieces on a puzzle. Take your time to ensure everything is aligned properly, as it will pay off in the end when users find your form easy to complete. Once you've positioned your fields, double-clicking on any field will open up a Properties menu. This area is where you can get into the details like setting labels, formatting the field, adding validation rules, and more. Adjusting these settings ensures the form fields perform just as you need them to. Now that you've got everything set up, it's always a good idea to preview your work. Just click on Preview to see how your form looks when it's filled out. This is your chance to test everything and make sure each field behaves the way you expect. When you're satisfied with the preview, go ahead and save your fillable PDF. And that's it. You've now turned a regular PDF into a powerful, fillable form using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This tool will make gathering information much smoother, leaving you with more time to focus on what's important. Thanks for watching, and happy form creating.